In case you didn't realize it, this Sunday is Grandparents' Day, a day set aside to celebrate our mom and dad. While you're coming up with ways to make them feel extra special, why not take a few extra minutes to learn something from them? This was something I did with my grandmother Rose before she passed away. I asked her to share a few of her favorite recipes with me so that they could live on as part of her legacy. She did, and now I want to share one of them with you. It's her noodle pudding, or as we call it, kugel, and boy is it good. She told me how she made it and how much pleasure she got from serving it to her family. Then my grandmother let me in on what her secret ingredient was. It's lots of TLC. For those of you who aren't familiar with noodle pudding, it might sound a bit odd, but think of it as a really tasty bread pudding, only made with noodles instead of bread. To get the recipe for our best ever noodle pudding, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a grandmotherly way for you to say, ooh, it's so